Do you ever open your phone for 2 minutes, and suddenly 1 hour is gone?
Oh wow, yes, that happens to me every day.
And then you ask yourself, what did I even watch?
Exactly, I don't remember anything, just random videos.
So here is the real question. Is social media helping you, or controlling you?
That sounds scary.
It is a little scary. But today, we will understand it in a simple way. Hey everyone, welcome back.
Hello guys, good to see you again.
Today's topic is very real, very personal.
Yes, because we all use social media every day.
And sometimes, a little too much.
Yes, a little is a nice word.
Let me tell you a small story.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yesterday, I woke up at 7 a.m. I picked up my phone, just to check messages.
Just 2 minutes, right?
Yes, only 2 minutes. After that, I opened Instagram, then one video, then another, and suddenly, it was 8:30.
No way, that is crazy, that is true, it makes you feel slow. I also have a story. Last night, I said, I will sleep early. But then I opened my phone.
Dangerous move.
I watched reels, funny videos, travel videos, and suddenly, it was 1 a.m. And today, I feel sleepy.
Social media looks fun, but slowly, it takes your time, your energy, and your focus. So let's understand something important.
Okay.
Social media is not bad. The problem is too much use. Let's talk about some simple tips.
Yes, please. I need help.
Tip number 1. Don't start your day with your phone. I know this is hard, but try this. Wake up, drink water, stretch your body.
No phone?
No phone for 20 minutes. Tip number 2. Set a time limit for social media daily. Maybe 30 minutes, or maximum 1 hour per day is enough.
That feels less, but maybe it is enough if used properly.
Tip number 3. Turn off notifications on your phone. Because every small sound pulls your attention again and again.
Yes, I check my phone every time I hear a notification.
Tip number 4. Use social media with a clear purpose. Don't just scroll randomly, go with a reason in your mind.
Like learning something useful.
Tip number 5. Keep your phone away sometimes during the day.
Like, in another room where I cannot see it.
Yes, exactly. Keep it away so you don't feel tempted.
Guys, if you are still watching this video with us right now, comment, control, right now in the comment section below.
Let's see who is serious about changing their habits today.
And don't forget to like this video for support. And subscribe for more simple and practical English learning videos.
Sometimes, we use social media to escape from our real problems. From stress, from problems, from reality and difficult situations.
Wow, that is very true when I think about my habits.
We feel bored, so we open phone again and again. But that is not a real solution for our problems.
It is just distraction for a short time. Social media fills time, not your heart or emotions.
So, what will you change today in your daily routine? Small step, big change always works.
Always remember that in your life.